Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to get OriginOS 6 on your iQOO Z9x Indian edition. So let's begin. As you can see, I already have the OriginOS 6 and here is the Origin Island recording screen, and if I swipe down my notification center, you will be able to see that is the new OriginOS 6 notification center. So let's head to settings, and after heading to settings, scroll down, then go to system update. You can do this in your Fun Touch OS 15, and then you need to click on the two dots on the upper right corner. After that, you need to click on version trial, and now in version trial you will find the new version trial option here, where it shows no updates available. If you're in Fun Touch OS 15, you'll be able to see OriginOS 6 available. If not, then click on here, no updates available, and it will be checking for updates, and then OriginOS 6 will be available on your iQOO Z9x. So guys, if you want OriginOS 6 on your iQOO Z9x today, then follow these methods and enjoy OriginOS 6. Leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like these.